Hey, so today is an exciting day. A succulent shop near my house just created an event on Facebook where you can get free succulents for today. So I'm gonna meet up with my friends and we're gonna go drive there. And I'm super excited and I hope I get some really good succulents because they're my favorite plant. And yeah, I'll be filming the area and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Let me just for my sake.
Oh, okay.
Big heavy camera.
Okay, so there's no one around. We are at UCI Arboretum. Where the fuck is everyone? It looks like, what is it? It looks like it's like 7 p.m. where it's actually like 2:30. 1. Oh god.
There's fucking ominous ass crows
with
everywhere.
Ominous crows in the distance. I feel like the zombie apocalypse has come upon us.
We're heading towards a beautiful arboretum.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Thunderstorms in California. It's raining. There's a gazebo. Why is our mind so weird?
Trespassing.
I have like 1 minute of footage left.
Good.
That was the end of a really fun, but really tiring day. I am exhausted and I am back home. Here's the succulents I got. 2 of them are for friends, but they look absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to be planting them in here. So I'm really excited. So, to see you in the next vlog, because I am going to just lay down and just rest it out. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!
I'll save space on your card.
Okay. We are at the... and here's some poop. R.I.P. Still no sign of civilization around.
It's been 30 days.
It's been 30 days.
Yeah, let's go on it.
We
Find
have
the
to drink
Irvine
our own
splasher.
piss.